Distributed device populations are becoming mandatory to stay competitive in today's connected business landscape. Installing those devices consistently across hundreds of locations is where many service providers fall short. Whether you're a distributor that needs a partner that can help with last-mile deployments and installations, or a reseller that needs to expand the services that you provide your customers, Accucode is the partner for you. We are the ones behind the curtain, making sure everything operates without a hitch. Accucode has specialized technicians in every major city across North America ready to assist with your project. These technicians will assess your location to determine site readiness and fix any issues that could impact the installation process. Every device that Accucode installs is staged and kitted by packaging all the materials needed for each device installation prior to kitting. Accucode ensures our operations can scale to the needs of the project. Each kitting is recorded, and a snapshot of the device in the box is taken before it is shipped to the site. Our clients and partners can verify what was included in each box before shipping at the touch of a button. Custody of the device is tracked from the time a device enters our warehouse to its finished installation. Accucode's installation and documentation are a fully scalable process through the use of our proprietary workforce management software, ForWork. Our techs are trained to finish installations quickly and with minimal disruptions to your business. We also offer training services where your IT team can learn to complete installations. Our techs never leave your side until each component has been tested and passes their inspection. Accucode Services are your dedicated business-to-business resource with over 30 years of experience. Contact Accucode and take the hassle out of installations today.